Very easy to reconstitute or bring back your leftover mashed potatoes. Don't microwave them. All you need to do is grab a small skillet or a pot in this case, and I added any kind of dairy. I used 1% milk because that's what I had. And honestly, you just put them, they're cold right now, but you put them in here just on low heat and stir occasionally. It brings them right back to life. This will kind of evaporate, cook off, and add to the potatoes. And look at them. I mean, these are days old, but I'll show you them at the end, okay?